Hey everyone, welcome to Funbyrad channel. Today we are going to see the famous standard web hosting plan in InterServer. So let's start. If you have logged into dashboard, you will see two options. One is cPanel and other one is DirectAdmin. InterServer actually recommend using DirectAdmin and that's the smart move. So that's the one we are reviewing. Let's break down exactly why this is a better, faster, and more affordable choice for your website. Okay, let's start. First, direct admin, built for speed. The main reason InterServer recommend direct admin is simple efficiency. Think of cPanel like a big feature heavy operating system. It works, but it needs a lot of power just to run the dashboard itself. Direct admin or DA is the opposite. It's lean, minimalist, and incredible quick. Because it uses far fewer resources on the server, the exact extra power goes straight to your website. This means better loading speeds and more stability, especially when you're running a resource hungry app like WordPress. So, second, we are going to see the price promise, no hidden gems. This is the most important part of the review and it's why InterServer stand out from the competition. Everybody offers a cheap introductory price, usually around 2.5 to $3 per month. That's standard. But with almost every other host, that price will jump to 15 to $20 when you renew for a month or a year later. That's huge, painful price increase that breaks your budget. InterServer is different, but choosing by choosing the recommend direct admin plan, your low renewal price stay incredible predictable. While prices can change over time, InterServer is famous for keeping the renewal rate consistently low, usually around $7 per month. You get the fast, stable admin direct control panel and you avoid massive renewal hike that everybody else charges. It's an honest long-term deal. Thirdly, we are going to see all the features you need for your website. Don't worry that lean means you are missing important tools. Direct admin gives you everything you need for the site management. So one by one I will tell you, just note down. One click installer. You can install WordPress, Joomla or hundreds of other apps instantly using tools like SoftCollars. Second, built-in security. You get free security features like InterShell, which handles malware, cleanups, and protection, keeping your site safe. Thirdly, easy tool. Managing your email files and dashboards, it's straightforward and logically organized inside the direct admin interface. If you are hosting just one website or several, the direct admin plan offers the best balance of low cost, speed, dependable performance. It's the right foundation for your online project. If long-term savings and faster loading speeds sound good to you, it's time to make the switch. Find the link below to sign up and you can be setting up your new direct admin dashboard in minutes. Or got questions about moving from cPanel to direct admin? Drop your comments below and I will personally walk you through the process. I hope this video very helpful to you, so please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.